Guys, have you ever lost your voice? Like, all of a sudden talaga. Like, out of nowhere. Parang, bigla lang, super. Like, 1 minute, I was fine. Then, boom, nothing comes out. Wala talagang boses. Literally. Well, that's what happened to me last night. So, story time tayo. Sandali, ayusin ko lang. So, I just came home from choir practice kagabi. Medyo napagod ako kasi nga umuulan dito sa Cebu. Tapos, matagal ako nakakuha ng booking. Talagang super tagal ako nag-intay ng makakabook. Talagang walang masakyan. Pero I got home okay naman. Kumain ng dinner. Nag-chika with my son when he came home very late from his football game na. Siguro mga past 11 na. So, pero just a normal chill evening naman. Talagang normal, nothing out of the ordinary. Then, yeah, kumain kami ng chocolate. Then, suddenly, may na-feel ako sa throat ko. Tapos, I coughed a few times. Kasi parang, uncomfortable ba na parang may na-stuck dito. So, gusto kong ilabas. And hala, after coughing a few times, wala na yung boses ko. My voice was gone, like literally zero. Wala as in I could not talk. No voice literally comes out of my mouth. Kahit na paos, na croak, wala talaga. Medyo na-worry ako. Hindi talaga medyo, pero na-worry talaga ako. Especially na kailangan kong mag-batch record ng mga videos today and I'll have to sing in the choir by Sunday. Duda ko talaga, fibromyalgia weird symptom na naman ito. My body really reacts differently dahil nga sa aking fibromyalgia. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, wala man lang basabi, wala man lang notification or warning symptom ba na mawawalan ako ng boses. So, ayun, anyone out there na nakaka-relate? Anyone out there may fibromyalgia dyan? Sharing tayo. So, last night, I prayed, Lord, ikaw na bahala. You called me to share your word, so I'm trusting you to give me back my voice. Pero nangyak-nyak pa rin ako. And my son told me, Mama, just rest and pray. Let's pray and just rest in God's promise, Mama. When you wake up, your voice is back. Parang na-assure ako, pero meron pa rin yung worry. Kasi nga, sino pag hindi mag-worry na bigla-biglang nawala yung boses mo, 'di ba? Tapos, this morning, pagkagising ko,